Let's graph and find the properties of a circle centered at x equals -1 and y equals -1, with radius 6.
The center is the anchor point of the circle.
The center is at x equals -1, y equals -1.
The radius is the distance from the center to the circle. Step out by the radius, right, left, up, and down. These 4 points sit on the circle. A circle equation uses center shifts on the left, radius squared on the right.
The signs come from subtracting the center coordinates, x plus 1, and y plus 1.
The radius is 6, so the right side is 6 squared, which is 36. Now we derive the related properties from the radius. The diameter is 2 radii across, 2 times 6 equals 12. The circumference is 2 pi r, 2 times pi times 6 equals 12 pi.
The area is pi r squared, pi times 6 squared equals 36 pi.
So this circle is described by its center and radius.